They were told it was harmless, so harmless. They put it in their mouths, young women, bright-eyed, painting watch dials that glowed in the dark. At night, they shimmered. They called it beautiful. They didn't know they were glowing from the inside out, and it was killing them. Early 1900s. A new miracle element takes over the world. Radium. No one understood the danger. They hired young women for precision work and gave them one instruction: lip point the brush. Hundreds of times a day. At first, nothing. Then fatigue, toothaches, loose teeth. And then something horrifying. Their jaws began to rot. Imagine dying and being blamed for it. But the truth was worse. Radium doesn't leave the body. It settles in bone, destroying from within. Then the women fought back. Led by Grace Fryer, they sued. Weak, sick, dying, but determined. And the world finally listened. Their fight changed everything. It established that workers could sue for occupational disease and that employers are accountable for their safety. They didn't just die. They changed history. Because no worker should ever be sacrificed for progress.